no exhaust, no diesel smell. The bus has Wi-Fi and even USB outlets next to every seat. I mean, come on, imagine. You can charge your phone on your way home from work. That's good stuff.
So is this an elementary school class that Kamala is speaking to? Nope. A room full of adults today talking about, you guessed it, her favorite topic, electric school buses. The problem is, she speaks this way to adults, not just children. This isn't the only time she's done this. Check out this example.
Bob and Doug returned to the Kennedy Space Center. They suited up, they waved to their families, and they rode an elevator up nearly 20 stories. And then they launched. Yeah, they did.